Hi everyone. Wanted to show you my mandevilla. It's all blooming. I put a trellis up here and it's already clinging to it. It'll probably climb up this white pole here. It's got some pretty flowers on it. And down here. And a lot more buds are coming out. Some back here. The vines are attached on this trellis back here. Put a big trellis back here. It's already starting to climb. Got some buds back here. Big, beautiful flowers on this. All opening up. Some more buds. Another flower. And it's grabbing all the... I just connect it up here and it starts to grab back there on the trellis. It's all back here grabbing the trellis. A lot of buds coming out there. Some more buds down here. Some coming out there. And there's some flowers back here also. And this will climb and it'll start flowering up this pole up here. Yeah, this will climb. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.